Hello, I'm Bill Fedorak, Process Coordinator here in Black Box's Custom Cable Manufacturing, to give you an inside look at our process and the team members that make it all happen. What many people don't realize about Black Box is that we produce over 150,000 custom cables each year right here in Lawrence, Pennsylvania. Today we'll be on the manufacturing floor where we do everything from the first cut through the assembly and testing to the packaging of the cables that will be shipped around the world. Once a customer has spoken to our custom product team and determined that a custom solution is needed, the first step in the manufacturing process is to go through manufacturing administration, where they cut a bill of material, the production order, and the labeling, that then proceed out to the shop floor. This is our automatic wire processing machine, which can be programmed to cut the cable to length, strip the ends of the jacket, and install a label. After the cable is cut, it is placed into a bin. A traveler is then made to consume all the raw material parts. It is then placed on the roller and comes down into the assembly area, where the assemblers pick from the roller. The assembler is now pinning the connector to the custom configuration on the work order. After the cables have been assembled, they move to our QA and test area for inspection and testing. Our number one priority is the quality of our custom cables. So during testing, we check for pin location and continuity. The last step before Black Box custom cables are shipped or sent to distribution is bagging.
So what we do is we'll take the cable, we'll check the cable label along with the order, check the item number, make sure they match on the cable and also the bag.
And finally, we will take a quick overview of our fiber optic area, which we keep in a separate containment area for cleanliness. Producing high-quality fiber is a precise business, so our team adheres to strict, controlled, and documented procedures, from stripping the cable and curing the epoxy to fitting and polishing the ferrules. Then, each cable is inspected to ensure a top-performing cable that's guaranteed for life. Join us in a future tour where we will walk you through our fiber cable production. Thank you for joining me today. Come back for more insights and video updates as we make improvements and modifications to our custom cable manufacturer. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us here on social media or visit blackbox.com/custom cables. Thanks again and see you soon.